Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you an easy and quick recipe, garlic bread in air fryer and on Stovetop. It's everybody's favorite breakfast and evening snack. Even kids will enjoy very much. It's going to be very crispy and tasty with the garlic flavor. I'm using the 100% whole wheat bread. It's very rich in whole grains. Coming to nutrition, each slice is 90 calories and 4 grams of protein. If you want to cut down calories, go for multigrain bread. Each slice will be around 45 calories only. 100% whole wheat 2 garlic bread slices gives around 250 calories and 8.2 grams of protein. Let's start with air fried garlic bread. Take 2 bread slices. Apply 1 teaspoon of melted butter. Sprinkle around half teaspoon of garlic powder. Spread it evenly. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of parsley leaves. Take the air fryer basket. No need of greasing. Put the bread slices. Place rack on top to avoid slices moving around. Air fry at 360 Fahrenheit for 2 minutes. Once it's done, flip the slices and air fry again at 360 Fahrenheit for 2 minutes. Air fried garlic bread is ready to serve. If you want to try with 4 slices, air fry at 360 Fahrenheit for 6 to 8 minutes in total, flipping in the middle. Here is the pan-fried garlic bread. I'm using minced garlic instead of garlic powder. You can as well try with garlic powder on Stovetop. Take 2 slices. Apply melted butter. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of parsley leaves. Add around half a teaspoon of minced garlic and spread it evenly. Heat the pan. You can add little butter, but it's optional. Place the bread slices. And cook on medium flame for 2 minutes. Gently press on the top. Flip it along. Cook for another 2 minutes or longer if needed. As you can see, garlic is cooked well, adds nice flavor. Hope you enjoy making easy garlic bread. Thanks for watching.